Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro against the OnePlus 6T. So both of these phones have the Snapdragon 845 CPU and they both have 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Xiaomi Mi 8 finished the test fractionally faster than the OnePlus 6T. However, the overall scores are higher on the OnePlus 6T, and in the breakdown of the categories, the OnePlus 6T scored higher than the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro in each of the categories. That wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.